my channel. I'm Leslie Sumrall with Les Reflections. Each week I like to share with you a video of the work that I've done on my projects. This week was this lowboy with the attached mirror, and I think it turned out really nice. If you'd like to see how I got to this beautiful lowboy from that, come on, I'll show you how I got there. So guys, when I found this beautiful antique lowboy with the attached mirror, I fell in love, and I really wanted to restore it to its natural condition. However, this stain that was real close to the mirror there would not come up with any of the products I used, so I resorted to sanding it. And as you can see, I had to sand pretty deep to get it to the natural wood. But when that grain came out, it was beautiful. I wanted to paint the frame a color that would be a nice contrast against that pretty grain. So I started with Silk by Dixie Belle in the color Oyster, which is a gorgeous white by Dixie Belle. But it was a little too blue for this project. I wanted something a little more warm. So I chose Cathedral Taupe by Fusion. I've been wanting to try this all-in-one paint for a long while, and so I decided to use it on this one. This Cathedral Taupe is a beautiful color and really came out pretty. And as I said, I really love the Oyster by Dixie Belle, and so I'm saving that one for another project. Again, it's an all-in-one, so I didn't have to prime it, although I had put the other color on and it certainly served as a good primer. This product is also water-based, so any blotches were easy to clean up. And one less step because the top coat is built in. I wanted the drawer fronts to match the top, so I sanded those down to the natural grain. Those turned out really pretty, and you can see here the grain just was really prominent. I don't think this piece had a real thick varnish, but it certainly had a stain on it, and I'm so glad to see the natural wood. The dovetail on these drawers is beautiful. It was loose, so I glued it together with Titebond wood glue using a toothpick. To keep that natural grain look, I used my favorite top coat, which is a varnish by General Finishes. This varnish takes longer to dry because it's oil-based, but in the long run it lasts a whole lot longer than water-based finishes. So for this piece, I really wanted that long endurance. I applied 3 coats, waiting 12 hours in between each. I cleaned the inside of the drawers really well, but there were these dark blotches that were very much like the one that was on the top. So I cleaned it really well, rinsed it with water, and then I painted only the bottom of each of the drawers. I wanted to keep a little character, so I kept the sides the same as the top of the piece and the drawer fronts. I used the same taupe color, and this took 2 coats to cover those blotches. I cut in the edges with a paintbrush and let the paint do the work for me. And now for the finishing touches. I bought these beautiful knobs from Hobby Lobby, and they're a cream color to match the frame. They're very easy to assemble. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that what you saw here will help you in your next project. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time.